Okay, so another practice question, and again, I should mention that these would be great quiz questions, hint, hint. I don't expect you, for example, to know what type of rock that marble is just right off the bat. I don't expect you to memorize that, but if I give you some sort of little passage to read, then you should be able to tell me if it's igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. So take a second to read this paragraph. Again, you can pause if you need to, and then we'll talk about what type of rock it is. Okay, so this is a metamorphic rock. The keywords in this is, again, it said heat and pressure, which I told you to write down that meant metamorphic, but also it says it's pushed down into the earth. So remember that metamorphic rocks are deep inside of the earth. Next one, again, pause it, read the description, see if you can figure out what type of rock this is. This one's also metamorphic. Remember that most of the time metamorphic rocks can be identified if they have this layering look. You can kind of see that it's layered, and that, again, is from all the pressure that's way down deep inside of the earth. Some of the keywords here is that they're being squeezed. That's by the pressure of the earth. And heated, again, metamorphic comes from heat and pressure. Go ahead and pause, read once again, see if you can figure out what type of rock this one is. And this is sedimentary. If you look at this one, you can see all of the different fossil remains. You can also see that it's kind of made up of lots of different things that are just being cemented or packed together. So you can actually see this was once probably a little tiny rock mixed with another tiny rock, and they got put together to make a bigger rock. Another just part of the paragraph that helped you see that is where it says particles pressed together. So remember, sedimentary is made of lots of different types of sediment, which is sand, pebbles, remains of animals, all those things are sediment. Again, pause, read, see if you can figure this one out. This one is igneous. So again, a lot of the times igneous rocks are black or dark. The keyword in this one says it was formed from hot lava, from volcanoes. So remember again that when lava cools and melts, that makes an igneous rock. Go ahead and pause, read this one, see if you can figure this one out. Okay, this one is also igneous. Just one key here is it's really glassy looking and it's black, which tells us it's probably formed from lava. But then it also tells us that it was formed from lava that cooled so quickly. So again, igneous. Alright, and that's it for the video. So at this point, since you are doing Cornell notes, you need to go back and summarize what you learned in this video. So see if you learned all three of these things that I told you would learn, and try to touch, in your summary, try to touch on each one of these three things. When you're done with that, read the board to see what to do next.